Ngiyanibingelela nonke egameni lenkosi yethu uJesu Kristu. Amen. Uh, we were loved. Uh, we were loved by Uma. Sikaze singakwazi lokho. We were pushed to our greatest extent at every opportunity. We were supported in every and any dream, idea that we had. We were raised by a force. We were raised by a powerhouse. We were raised by, hey, yeah. Ushilo uKithi wathi thina ke ekhaya uKithi asimbizi ngamagama akhe, asimbizi ngomamkhulu, asimbizi ngogogo, simbiza ngegama. Ushilo uKithi wathi ubhlungu. But one thing Uma made sure of benobaba is to, like uAndiswa said, is basikhulise, basifundisa ukumazi uNkulunkulu. Noma kunje uthi uyawavala amehlo uyathandaza uyazama kungaphumi lutho. Kodwa okubalekile is that we still coming before him, still kneeling at his altar. Uyazazi inhliziyo zethu. Silimele kakhulu. To say otherwise would be an absolute lie. More than anything, anginakho engifuna ukusho besides to say thank you. It was only 3 months from the day Uma was diagnosed to the day Shia, a very, very short time. But in those 3 months, uthando esesikhonjiswe lona, nothando enimkhombise lona was immense. Ushilo futhi uKithi ukuthi nimthandile, nimkhombisile uthando. Namthanda so much that even in this past week, esehambile, nathi saluza lolo thando. Already on Monday, not many hours after everyone heard the news, this memorial service and the funeral was already sorted. Ngifuna ukubonga bonke bodonda. Awu, hey. Silimele kakhulu. Kodwa ushilo futhi uKithi ukuthi uma ube uthanda umndeni wakhe and sonke ekhaya siyathandana. Akukho esuke kwenzeka sangabambana, sangathandana. Ngeke ke siqale manje. Baba. Hey. Siyabonga. Yeah. Kithi selinawe ke manje sis. Lento yokuhamba lokuthi awunaso isibindi. Hayi mina nginaso ke kodwa. Hayi isibindi sama wami nginaso ke. Nginaso. Not to that level cha. Ngafika lapho kodwa hayi nginaso. Hey silimele. Siyazi ukuthi our lives will literally never be the same again. But the amount of love we have received and we are continuing to receive is so much. But it is making a big difference. Tina sonke. Siyabonga. Siyabonga. Yolanda umjayela kahle. Uthi ngingakhali ngiphathele wena ke tissue. Bonani. Angazi ngiqale it's just such a bad dream.
this is a nightmare. And I can't wait to just wake up to where avuke nje ugela athi tada. Uma besimbiza ngogeli thina. And yo, hey guys, hi shame. Uma usithandile kakhulu. I think that's the one thing esivumelana ngayo sonke ukuthi uthando asiliswelanga thina, sikaze siswele uthando. Ngisho ngathiwa kwenzakalani, she'll make sure ukuthi we feel it, whether ukhona la eduze kwethu noma akekho. Uma was my literal best friend. She trusted me with everything. Everything, from the smallest of things. She'd call me, Angzindele, Jabulo Save Lento. Jabulo Save Lento. She'd send me emails, methola into, methola whatever decision she has to make. Angbiza. Sometimes ngambuza ngathi mina, hayibo sisi ngiyingane. I'd remind her sometimes ngithi hayibo athi nje ngeke. And everyone keeps saying, Jabulo, you have to be strong. I trusted you with the kids. Trusted you with the family. I don't think I'll be able to. Everything and anything I would do would go via her, and bengayenzi into mina without approval yama. And she would make sure na ukuthi she pushes me to ngize ngicikele. Ayibongikhathele sisi. But she made sure, and the past few months, njengoba kade eshiyo lana ukuthi there were signs, but I think we just blocked them. Ubenza izinto, angitshela izinto engithi hayibo sisi, why? Yo, bebengazikhulumisi-ke ke thina. Mina noYolanda, we are literally daddy's girls. And Uma Wande was mommy's boy. So Uma Wande, understand. He can't even understand. Whenever mangabe sibona sihleka no baba, she'd get so mad. Athi nihlangene ngami. Kanti yena bengawafind funny ama-jokes ethu, she would not laugh. Sihleke thina masethi siyamhlanganyela. We're gonna miss every single bit of detail about her, but we'll make it. No baba thina. I wonder if there's one thing that we know ukuthi sinayo is the support. Ngiyayibona the extended family and everyone else. Baba thina, sino Kitty thina. Kitty, ana choice. Ana choice. Yazi sike sakhuluma these past days, angisazi uba ekhaya uthe hey yabona nje umama Nkosi yami angazi ini izofana hami, ngithi mina ibo ayikho leyo nto. Umama ushadile, bathi umama ushadile, ngithi mina uZulu akabuye azohlala nathi la naye. Ababuye bonke. Ake kitho hambayo. Uqathu uzoshiya noba. But I'd like to thank each and every person ola, because beziningi izinto engabe ngiyazenza, but you guys decided to be here with us. Siyabonga kakhulu. Mndeni waseshilo Nkosi yami, yo unithandile uma Nkosi yami, unithandile nani namthanda. I'm sure you're not gonna miss Leo's voice, and sizoyikhumbula nathi, but just nazi ukuthi it's not the end of the world, and